Hi, I'm a McAfee Customer Support agent, and I want to share one of the web safety issues our customers ask about. Let's talk about sponsored advertisements and third-party support. Check it out. I start searching for the McAfee phone number on a search engine. I get a list of results, but the first two aren't links to an official McAfee webpage. See? They're ads. I also see this when customers activate retail cards. If you buy a McAfee subscription at a store, it comes with a retail card that has a web address for activating the product. If you type that address into a search engine instead of the address bar, the top results are ads. Advertisers may urge you to call them and try to charge you for installation, which McAfee provides for free. Instead, just go to the address bar and type in the address exactly as it appears on the card, including the www. That lets you bypass the search engine and advertisers. The official McAfee activation site will never require you to call a phone number, and McAfee won't ask someone to contact you. Remember, go directly to a company's website to search for information and use the built-in search features. If that doesn't work, it's okay to use a search engine, but make sure you click on an official link. Hope this helps you to stay safe on the web. You can learn more about staying safe at McAfee.com.